What if the coolest gadgets of 2026 aren't hiding in some futuristic lab? They're already available to buy right now. From AI-powered tools to insanely smart desk upgrades, these gadgets make everyday life faster, easier, and a whole lot more futuristic. And trust me, some of them are seriously hard to believe are real. So, let's check out the smartest gadgets of 2026 that you can actually buy today. MUKOQI Levitating Bulb Lamp. This looks like a normal light bulb, until you realize it's literally floating in the air. The MUKOQI Levitating Bulb Lamp uses magnetic levitation to keep the bulb suspended above its base while slowly spinning, creating a seriously futuristic effect. The warm LED glow gives your space a cozy feel, while the wood-style base adds a clean, premium touch. There's no complicated setup either. Just plug it in, position the bulb, and let the magnetic magic do the rest. Put it on your desk, nightstand, or office, and don't be surprised when everyone asks, "How is that thing floating?" Anker Prime 250-watt charging station. If your desk is covered in chargers and cables, this could seriously clean things up. The Anker Prime 250-watt charging station gives you 6 high-speed ports with 4 USB-C and 2 USB-A, so you can power a laptop, phone, tablet, earbuds, and more at the same time. Its intelligent power management automatically sends the right amount of power where it's needed, while the built-in LCD screen lets you see exactly how much power each device is using. It's compact, powerful, and perfect for turning a messy setup into a much smarter charging station. TerraMow X AWD AI Robot Lawn Mower. Imagine having a robot that takes care of your lawn while you do absolutely nothing. That's basically what the TerraMow X AWD is built for. Using cameras, AI-powered mapping, and smart obstacle detection, it can learn the layout of your yard and automatically keep the grass trimmed. And thanks to its all-wheel drive system, it can handle uneven terrain and steep sections much more confidently. You simply set a mowing schedule through the app, and it takes care of the rest. It's like having a tiny robotic landscaper working in your yard without the weekly hassle. Nixie Tube Clock. This clock looks like it was pulled straight out of a retro sci-fi movie, but there's some seriously modern tech hiding inside. The Nixie Tube Clock combines glowing vintage-style tubes with customizable RGB lighting, Wi-Fi time synchronization, weather information, and even photo displays. That means it's not just sitting there telling time. It can actually become part of your desk setup. Whether you place it beside your monitor, on a nightstand, or in a gaming room, those glowing tubes immediately grab attention. It's the perfect gadget if you want your workspace to have that unique mix of old-school style and futuristic technology. Sigman 3-in-1 Laser Measuring Tool. Why bring a whole toolbox when one compact gadget can handle 3 important jobs? The Sigman 3-in-1 laser measuring tool combines a laser distance meter, digital angle finder, and precision level into one easy-to-carry device. It can quickly measure distance, calculate area and volume, and help you get angles perfectly aligned for projects around the house. The bright color display keeps everything easy to see, even when you're working quickly. Whether you're hanging shelves, remodeling a room, or handling DIY projects, this little tool can save you time, space, and plenty of guesswork. DarkFlash IPS Display. Your PC can have powerful hardware, RGB lighting, and a great-looking case, but this little display can take the whole setup to another level. The DarkFlash IPS Display fits inside your PC case and gives you a dedicated screen for showing useful information like CPU and GPU temperatures, RAM usage, fan speeds, weather, and time. You can even customize it with animations or GIFs to match your setup. So while it definitely adds a futuristic look, it's actually useful too. If you want your gaming or editing rig to look more personalized while keeping an eye on system performance, this is a pretty awesome upgrade. Scrub. Daddy Barbecue. Daddy Grill Brush. Cleaning a grill covered in grease and burnt-on food is nobody's favorite job, but this gadget makes it a lot less painful. The Scrub Daddy Barbecue Daddy Grill Brush uses a bristle-free ArmorTech cleaning head that works with heat and steam to break down stubborn buildup without scratching your grill. A built-in scraper handles the really tough residue, while the retractable hook can help lift hot grill grates safely. And there's even a bottle opener built right into the handle. It's a surprisingly clever upgrade for anyone who spends a lot of time behind the BBQ. 3-in-1 Laser Measuring Tool. Forget struggling with a tape measure when you're working on your next project. This 3-in-1 laser measuring tool gives you quick and precise measurements with just the push of a button, while also working as a digital level and angle finder. That makes it useful for everything from installing shelves to measuring spaces during a home renovation. The clear digital display makes the readings easy to check, and its compact size means you can easily keep it in your pocket or toolbox. For DIY projects or professional work, it's a simple way to make measuring faster and more accurate. UltraBar X. Your desk might be functional, but the UltraBar X makes it feel like a command center from the future. This sleek device features a smart touchscreen that puts shortcuts, app controls, media functions, and productivity tools right at your fingertips. Its magnetic modules also let you customize the setup around the way you work. You can launch apps, control smart home devices, manage media, and handle repetitive tasks with a quick tap instead of digging through menus. Whether you're gaming, creating content, or working from home, the UltraBar X adds both convenience and a seriously futuristic feel to your desk. Electric screwdriver. If you're still using a manual screwdriver for every little repair, this is the kind of upgrade you'll appreciate immediately. This electric screwdriver makes everything from assembling furniture to fixing electronics much quicker, with adjustable torque settings and multiple speed modes for better control. The built-in LED light also helps illuminate tight or dark spaces where a regular screwdriver can be frustrating to use. Its compact, rechargeable design feels comfortable in your hand, so you can work longer without constantly fighting with the tool. Once you get used to the speed and convenience, going back to a traditional screwdriver might feel painfully slow. And that's a look at some of the smartest gadgets you can actually buy in 2026. From futuristic desk tech to tools that make everyday tasks easier, these gadgets prove the future is already here. Which one would you actually buy? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech you won't want to miss.